Delighted to share that the IMC CRM Audit Tool officially went live on the HubSpot app marketplace. Imagine connecting your HubSpot portal to an audit tool, and in under a minute, dashboards are built for marketing, sales, the executive team and governance, showing around 25 things that aren't right in the CRM data. Each one links straight to the exact record that needs fixing. For larger portals, the same audit takes up to 15 minutes. Not weeks, not days, minutes. On the first run, the list can look long if issues have been building up quietly for years. That's normal, and it's exactly the point. Once those issues are fixed, the same tool becomes a monitoring system. Request a fresh report weekly, monthly or quarterly, and catch new issues before they build up again. Build a solid foundation in a CRM from day one. Don't wait until decisions get made on data that can't be trusted, until unifying data across systems stalls because the CRM underneath it is dirty, or until AI initiatives get blocked because the data quality was never fixed first. The IMC CRM Audit Tool works with HubSpot CRM today. The long-term vision is to bring the same audit capability to as many CRM platforms as possible. Want to see it in action? Use the link in the description to audit your HubSpot portal. Most businesses ignore small CRM data problems until they cost real money to fix. Here's a tool that catches them in one click instead, and it takes under a minute to run. Most businesses make the same mistake, ignoring small CRM data issues that quietly build up for years. By the time they notice, fixing it costs real money, and until it's fixed, decisions get made on incomplete data, automation gets built on scattered records, and dashboards can't be trusted. Deals and leads stall in the funnel because of friction caused by poor data quality. Deals stall, reports can't be trusted, automation breaks on messy data, and by the time it's obvious, the cleanup is expensive. Take control of your CRM data from day one, or take control after a costly cleanup. The choice is yours. This is the IMC CRM Audit Tool. Connect to HubSpot portal, and depending on the size of the database, in as little as 1 to 15 minutes it runs a full audit, builds a dashboard, and produces a report. Screen recording, show the connection flow, then the dashboard populating with results. Every issue found links directly to the affected record in HubSpot, so a team can jump straight in and fix it. No guessing, no manual digging through thousands of records. Once the CRM is clean, staying clean is just as important. Request a new report weekly, monthly or quarterly, and catch new issues before they build up again. The tool currently works with HubSpot CRM. The long-term vision is to extend the same audit capability across as many CRM platforms as possible. Take control of your CRM data from day one. Connect to HubSpot portal using the link in the description and get the first audit report back fast.